Next, arithmetic progression. Chapter 5. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So what it is? Arithmetic progression in short it is arithmetic progression in short it is AP. So what it is? AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding or subtracting a fixed number. The fixed number is called common difference. Suppose I am taking one example, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, like this it goes up to infinity. Next I am taking 100, 70, 40, 10, like that it goes up to minus 100. So these two are in AP because a fixed term is added here, plus 5 if you will add here, you will get the second term. To the second term if you will add first term, common difference 5, you will get 0. If you will add 5 here, you will get 5. If you will add 5 here, you will get the next term, like that it goes, and that 5 is here common difference. Here you see first term is 100, second term is 70. What is the difference? Minus 30. So common difference is minus 30. This is you see minus 30. If you will subtract 30 from here, you will get this. Subtract 30, you will get this. One more word I want to make you familiar with is sequence. A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order under some rule. Now here you see a sequence is an arrangement of numbers. These numbers are arranged under certain rule. So this is a sequence. This is also a sequence. This is also AP. This is also an AP. One more example I am taking. Say 2, 4, 8 or 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, like that it goes. This is also a sequence. See, this is multiplied by 2, you will get this. Multiply this one, you will get 2, 8. Multiply this one, you will get 8. So this is also a sequence. But this sequence, here you have seen, you have multiplied it. So this is AP and this is sequence. This is not AP. So all sequence are not AP, but all AP are sequence. Okay, all sequence are not AP. This is not AP, but all AP are, these are in AP, they are in sequence. So general form of AP series is A plus D. So d is here common difference. This is second term. You add d here, you will get third term. You add here one more d, you will get next term. Like this, it goes up to the last term, a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the last term. It is of two types. Arithmetic progression is two types. One is finite and another one is infinite. Now this is, see, Roman number 1 example I have taken here. See, this is dot 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 going on. This is going up to infinity. This is infinity, whereas this is finite. Its last number is how much? Last term is minus 100. Now what is the common difference? Common difference is equal to, suppose this I am taking second term minus first term, t2, second term minus first term. This is equal to, this is first term, this is second term. So this is second term how much? Minus 5 minus first term 10. This is equal to minus 5 plus 10 is equal to 5. So this 5 is your common difference. This 5 is your common difference. So this is how we used to find out the common difference of a series. Another some symbols here used is an. Sometimes we used to write an also. Sometimes it is indicated by L also. This is last term of a series. That last term of a series. Now, one example I am putting, see, example 1. So that the sequence, so that the AP 9, 12, 15, 18, dot 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 is an AP. Find its 16th term. The first term is what? Here a is equal to 9. Common difference is equal to second term minus first term, 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. How many numbers of terms are there? Find its 16th term. So n is equal to 16. Therefore an is equal to 16 term is equal to how much? a 16 term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to a is equal to 9 plus n is 16 minus 1 into 3. 9 plus 15 3s are 45 is equal to 54. Therefore t16 is equal to 54. This is 16th term we are getting. How to derive this formula? If, another question, if the first term and common difference are a and d, find the nth term of the series. This is a question, suppose. So first term is given a and common difference is given d. So our first term is a1 is equal to a plus 1 minus 1 into d. This is your first term. Your second term is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. Third term is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. Fourth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 4 minus 1 into d. Like that it goes. like it goes, and an is equal to this one. An is equal to a plus, when it is 4 4 3 3 2 2, n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for finding the nth term of a series. Here, when how many terms are there? 1 2 3 4 terms are there. Out of these 4 terms, if any 3 is given, you can find out the fourth term. Alright. Next, I will come to another example. Example number is fallen down. My stand is fallen down. So next example, example 2. Example number 2. Say example 2. Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP of the sequence 4 9 14 19 is 124? Which term is there? Here A is how much? Solution. A is how much? A is equal to how much? 4. This is first term 4. Common difference D is equal to second term minus first term is equal to 5, and n term they have given is 124. So according to our formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to how much? 124 is equal to A is how much? 4 plus n, we don't know, we have to find out which number term, n minus 1 into D is equal to 5. This implies 120 is equal to 5n minus 5. This says 5n is equal to, this goes this side, will become 125. Therefore n is equal to 125 by 5 is equal to 25. So that is 25th number of term is the number 124. Next example, example number 3. Example 3. If the 10th term of an AP, if the 10th term of an AP is 52 and 17th term is 10 more than 13th term, find AP. Solution. A10 is equal to how much? 52, and this is equal to 10 term is equal to how much? Now this is 52 is equal to how much? 10 term. A10 is equal to 52 is equal to how much? A plus A is how much? Don't know. A plus number of 10 minus 1 into D. This implies A plus 9D is equal to 52. This is your equation 1. What you have noticed it, when this is 10 term, here it is coming 9, 1 is reduced because 10 minus 1, 9. Now by second condition, what it is said, see, T17 minus T13 is equal to 20. See, and the 17th term is 10 more than 13 term. 17th term is 10 more than 13 terms. So what is 10 more than 13 terms? More than 13 terms. This is 10. Then okay, I'll do one thing. I will make 20 more and put 20 here. Then you will not get confusion with this 20. So difference of these two terms is 20. This implies a plus 16d, this value, minus a plus 12d is equal to 20. This implies a plus 16d minus a minus 12d is equal to 20. This implies these two cancelled. 16 minus 12, 4d is equal to 20. Therefore 5. So common difference is how much? 5. Then from 1 what it is? A plus 9 into 5 is equal to 52. This implies a is equal to 52 minus 45. This is equal to 7. So your first term is coming. Your first term is 7. Now required AP is equal to, this is first term. A is how much? 7. Second term a 7 plus 5 is 12. Next term 12 plus 5 is 17. 17 plus 5 is 22. Like that it goes. This is the required